So I got the end table by Tribesigns. On this video, I'm gonna go over some of the top questions I was seeing for this. I also got a video going how I'm currently using this in my house, but overall, I am liking it so far. But the questions that I was seeing were, what was the assembly time like for this end table? The second question I was seeing is, how does it do with water? Maybe you can be setting drinks on it. Is a wood gonna be able to take that? And the third question I was seeing is, are the shelves adjustable? So let's get that first question. What was the assembly time like? I did it by myself. I had this whole thing assembled in, I bet, 20 minutes. Super, super easy. There's really only like four pieces to it. Just get them all put together. They give you the tools you need to do that. So like I said, I did it by myself in about 20 minutes. If you have somebody helping you, I bet you can have this thing assembled in like 10 minutes. It's really, really that easy. And now for the second question, how does this do with water? So maybe you're going to be using it as like an end table by your sofa, putting drinks on here. So this is what's called a rubber wood. So it is going to be able to take water and get wet. You can easily clean it off and you're going to have no issue at all. So if you are worried about that, you should be good to go. You can set drinks on here. If it gets a little wet, no big deal. It's rubber wood. They'll be able to take that. Now for the final question, are the shelves adjustable? So the shelves are not adjustable. So make sure you look at the description, what height it is. That's going to be what it is. You can't adjust the shelves. But for me, it worked out perfect. I'm using it as like an end table next to my sofa, which I love. But this is pretty versatile. It could be like an entryway table, a console table, maybe a nightstand. So whatever it's going to work in your house, it should be able to kind of fit into its little niche or whatever and work out well for you. But I am very, very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.